So till now we have learned type 1. Type 1 was factorization. This is our type 2. Type 2 means reducing our equation in quadratic equation. Reducing our trigonometric equation in quadratic equation. Suppose I am writing one here. Sin square x plus cos x. Uh, okay, first I will give you very simple thing. No need to see in that way. Sin square x plus sin x minus 2 is equals to 0. Find x. Okay na? So you can say this total trigonometric, this is trigonometric equation, but this trigonometric equation is looking like quadratic. Okay na? So what I will do here, I will take t is equals to sin x. Okay, now this will become t square plus t minus 2 is equals to 0. I will find the value of t here. A is 1, b is 1, c is minus 2. We will write minus b plus or minus root under b square 1 minus 4 into a, which is 1 into c minus 2 upon 2 into 1, 2. So this will become t is equals to, this will become 9. 9. Root 9 will be 3. Okay, Jayanti? Upon 2. So when you will take positive sign, value will be 1. When you will take negative sign, value will be minus 2. So how many values of t we got? 2. 1 and minus 2. And what is t? Sin x. So sin x is equals to 1. This will pass. And sin x is equals to minus 2. It will fail. But we have to find general solution. First of all, we will find general solution. After that, you can find, suppose angle is between 0 to 360 degree, find the angle. What we can write here, sin x is equals to 1. 1 you can write sin pi by 2. And you can write x is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 2. Okay, this is the general solution. And now suppose I am asking here, in question it is mentioned x belongs to 0 to 4 pi. And they will ask you find total number of solution. They can ask you general solution also, they can ask you total number of solution also. So for answers, there are two type of question. Either they will ask you total number of solution or they will ask you general solution. So general solution is this. Suppose I am asking between 0 to 4 pi means 0 to 720 degree. How many angle will satisfy that equation? So we'll find that with help of this. So first of all, what we'll put? I'll put n0. What will get x? 0 into pi 0 minus 1 raised to 0 1, that will get pi by 2. Okay. After that I will put n is equals to 1. Pi minus pi by 2. Here also will get pi by 2. N is equals to 2. 2 pi plus pi by 2, pi by 2, and 9 pi by 2. 9, or simply you can write 2 pi plus pi by 2. 2 pi plus pi by 2. And when we put n is equals to 3, 3 pi minus pi by 2. N is equals to 3, you will put na 3 pi minus 1 raised to 3 minus 1 minus pi by 2. When we put n is equals to 4, 4 pi plus pi by 2. And when you put n is equals to 5, you'll get 5 pi minus pi by 2. 5 pi minus pi by 2. So this will, it will get cancelled. 5 pi minus pi by 2 is outside 4 pi. 4 pi plus pi by 2 is also outside 4 pi. 3 pi minus pi by 2 and 2 pi plus pi by 2. Can you tell me both are same or different? 5 pi by 2, both are same pi, 5 pi by 2. So don't write like this. At least find the value. Maybe value can repeat. Like it is looking 2 pi plus pi by 2, 3 pi minus pi by 2. You will think both are different, but both are same only. And here both are same. One angle here, one angle here. How many angle? 2. So total number of solution, 2 solution. So not only this, they can ask question in different way. They will ask you find sum of solution. What are the solution? Pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2. So we have to add there. Understood? No? They are asking find total number of solution. So count how many angle are satisfying. They will ask you find sum of the solution. Add it. They will ask you find general solution. This is the general solution. Okay, na? So they can ask questions in different way. But answers here you have to reach. Till here you have to reach. Then you can answer any question. Okay? Shall I write down? Chaitanya, come this side. Yes, Aswini, come this side. Ruchita, come this side. Remove your bag. Chaitanya, keep it down or that side. Number of values of x satisfying number of values of x satisfying 2 raised to sin square x plus 4 times 2 raised to cos square x is equals to 6, where x belongs to minus 2 pi to plus 2 pi. Okay, na? So this is the equation. Now tell me from where you will start this thinking. So see, this question you have to star mark and you have to learn this pattern. You have to learn this pattern before going to JEE advanced exam, before going to JEE mains exam, before anywhere you are going to give exam of trigonometry and that exam is of good quality. You will have to learn this pattern and you have to revise this. Suppose you are thinking, sir, I cannot solve this problem. So you don't have to solve the problem. First, you have to learn, acha, what I am seeing in that equation first. Then I will tell you, whatever you are seeing in this equation, how we'll solve that. Then you have to remember the solution. Acha, this is how we will solve this pattern. Okay, this is how we'll solve this equation. Suppose I am asking find a range of this. Find a range of this. So once you will understand the pattern, you can find a range of that also. Okay. And once you will understand the pattern, you can solve this equation also. So here pattern is important. Okay. The way this question is looking, again, you will never see this type of equation throughout this chapter. It's that, see, type 2 is going now. In type 3rd, this concept cannot come. Type 4th, this pattern cannot come. Type 5, this pattern cannot come. So this pattern is strictly, this pattern will strictly come into quadratic only. It means this is quadratic. But you cannot see this is quadratic. So this is how you have to learn. Whatever pattern here I am going to do, whatever calculation I am going to do, I am going to change this equation into quadratic. Okay. And that change you have to learn how I am changing. Okay. So can you tell me, anyone tell me this about this? What we can do? No. First of all, 2 sin square x I will write as it is. Plus 4. 2 raised to 1 minus sin square x is equals to 6. Okay. Now, can you see sin square generated? So first cos square and sin square was there. So I changed both the name to same name. In that whole equation, two name is present. First name is sin square and second name is cos square. So my first step is to change cos square into sin square, or you can change sin square into cos square. Both thing you can do. Okay, so here I changed sin square, I kept sin square as it is, and cos square I wrote 1 minus sin square. Now what I will do here, 2 sin square x I will keep as it is. I will write 4 into Do you remember 2 raised to a minus b? 2 raised to a by 2 raised to b. Bhavna. That will become 2 raised to 1 by 2 raised to sine square x is equals to 6. Now can you see this and this are looking same now? And this is the main problem in this question. So what I will do, I will take t is equals to 2 raised to sine square x. I'll put t here. That will become t plus 8 by t is equals to 6. Wow, देखो कितना आसान बन गया. Now this is looking very easy. Now you will take LCM here. LCM will be t. T will multiply with here. T square plus 8 is equals to 6. T will multiply that side. That will become t square plus 8 is equals to 60. 60 will come this side. We got the quadratic. We got the quadratic. Okay. Now we'll find the roots of that quadratic. A is 1, B is minus 6, C is 8. So what will root? Minus B. What is B? Minus 6. So this is minus B plus minus root under B square, that is 36 minus 4 into, ये कौन है जिसको बैठना पसंद नहीं है? Upon 2A, 2 into 1. Now I'll write t is equals to here minus into minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 32, 4. Square root 4, 2 by 2. Plus sign will get 4, minus sign will get 2. Now same thing, 2 raised to sine square x, I will consider 2 because t is 2 and what is t? 2 raised to sine square x. And remember 2 raised to sine square x is equals to 2 raised to 1. What will be sine square x? Sine square x will be 1. And what we can write 1? Sine pi by 2. And 1 you can write 1 square or not? Because this is a square, no? So that formula will go with a square. 5 formula you have learned. Sine is equals to sine, cos is equals to cos, tan is equals to tan. 3 formula. Sine square is equals to sine square, cos square equals to cos square, tan square equals to tan square. So whenever you are getting sine square, that side you change it into sine square only. Don't change it into sine. That side is 1. 1 we can write 1 square, no? And that can we write sine square pi by 2? So what will be answer here? X is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 2. Now I will go for the second root. 4. 2 raised to sine square x is equals to 2 square. So from here we'll get sine square x is equals to 2. No solution because sine square x range between 0 to wow, very good. 0 to 1. So that value cannot be greater than 1. In this sense. That's all. Now the question is how many solution between minus 2 pi to 2 pi? You find it and you tell me solution I have done. So this whole pattern you have to remember. So when I am saying minus 2 pi to 2 pi, we have to find total number of solution. It means minus 360 degree to plus 360 degree. So minus 360 degree to plus 360 degree. Can you tell me how it is working? When n will be 0, n will be 0, you will get plus pi by 2 minus pi by 2. So plus 90 degree minus 90 degree. 2 solution you will get here. 2 angle you will get here. Now when n will be equals to 1, pi plus pi by 2, 270 degree. Pi minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So here 2 solution whatever you got, one solution was pi by 2, another solution was minus pi. Where n is equals to 1, whatever we are getting, what we are getting, n is equals to 1? 3 pi by 2 and pi by 2. Now n is equals to 2. 5 pi by 2 and 3 pi by 2. Yes, na? For n is equals to 3. Acha, 5 pi by 2 will get cancelled. 5 pi by 2 means pi by 2 is 90 degree. 90 into 5, 450 degree. So 450 degree is outside 360 degree. So this will get cancelled. 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 is matching, pi by 2 is matching, and minus pi by 2. Now n, when n will be equals to 3, both will not match. Now n is equals to 0 we started. Now we'll see the previous. N is equals to minus 1. When we'll put minus 1, what we'll get? कहाँ है भैया? Minus pi plus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. So minus pi plus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 will get. Minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2 will get. Now n is equals to minus 2 you will put. Both will get cancelled. Both will get cancelled. No? No, one will be cancelled and one will. So one will be minus 2 pi plus pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus 5 pi by 2. So this will get cancelled. And n is equals to minus 3, both will get cancelled. So it means here, sir, minus 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 will count 1. Minus pi by 2 and minus pi by 2 will count 1. So 2 solution. Plus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, 3 solution. And 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 4 solution. We have total 4 solution. This is the process of thinking for finding number of solution. If you didn't understood, go for video lecture. Remember, this is the way. Simple way work we are doing. Addition, subtraction we are doing. Diksha, yes, na? We are not doing something alien work. Write down next question, last question from this topic. Solve the equation. Solve the equation. Everyone close your module. Everyone close your module. तुम देख लिए पहले ही सॉल्यूशन ना? नहीं देखे ना? वेरी गुड. Solve the equation. Sin raised to 4x plus cos raised to 4x is equals to 7 by 2 sin x into cos x. I have two module. Who's this module? Name is there? Saida module. Your name is there on the module. This is Fahad module. This equation we have to solve and we have to find its general solution. Okay. So I know first step who will say. Ruchita will say the first step. You have to close the module, Ruchita. Your module is open. When I say close the module means you have to close the module. Now I will not ask you. Vivek, stand up. Tell me here. Which formula? Not formula. Where we will use the formula? This say first. तो बोलो. Speak the term. So what will be the formula here? Vivek will say. Pick 1 minus 2 sin square x. What cos square x? Cos square x is equals to 7 by 2 sin x into cos x. Next step, what I will do, Vivek? Tell me here. Sasi, stand up. Tell me what will be the next step here. How many of you know next step? 1, 2. SS also. Next step I have said earlier. Next step I have said when I was changing this, when I was changing into this formula, next step will be common in all the question. Whenever sin raised to 4 plus cos raised to 4 is there, if you are using that formula, next step will be same. Next step will also not change. Say that, tell me next step. Sit down. Amulya, tell me next step. Adina, tell me next step. Sin 2x by half, correct. Sit down. Take, stand up, tell me. Puneet, stand up, tell me. अवेज पता है? नितिन पता है? नहीं पता? सूर्यांश, cos square x will change 1 minus sin square x. Then this cos x, if you want to change name cos square into sin square x, it's okay, good idea. But this cos x we cannot change into sin x, na? If you want to, you are thinking all name I will make it same. So this cos square you can change sin square 1 minus sin square, but this cos x we cannot change, na? So now name idea is getting fail here. That means we have to think through some other process. Manoj, खड़े हो जाओ. Tell me. Ruchita, you know, stand up. What? 1 by sin x cos x. क्या बोल रहे हो? Sin s cos whole square. So whenever you are using this formula, so in this step, over here, this square you have to take outside. Sit down. Every time, whatever question, whenever you are using this formula into this, next step is this. Now, can you say sin x into cos x, sin x into cos x? If you consider this t, that will become t square quadratic or not? Wow, done na? But you will not change t here. You will write sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x cos x. So can you write sin x into cos x is equals to sin 2x by 2? So you'll write here 1 minus 2 sin 2x by 2 whole square is equals to 7 by 2 sin 2x by 2. Now this will become 1 minus 2 sin square 2x by 4 is equals to 7 sin 2x by 4. Yes, na? 2 will cancel this 4 in 2 times. This will become 1 minus sin square 2x by 2 is equals to 7 sin 2x by 4. Now take LCM. This division is there, na? 2, 4. Make it normal. Normalize it. Okay, na? So take LCM here. This side LCM will become 2. 2 will multiply that side. That will become 2 minus sin square 2x is equals to 7 by 4 sin 2x. 2 will cancel 4 in 2 times. 2 will cross multiply that side. 4 minus 2 sin square 2x is equals to 7 sin 2x. Now we'll take t is equals to sin 2x. Okay. This will come and bring all the term one side. Always remember, whenever you are changing it into quadratic, a square term should be positive. So a square negative is there or not? Now listen here carefully, and you have to remember this. When you will bring this term this side, a square will have negative number, yes or no? But make it positive. So we will take this term that side. So if you are taking this term that side, so that side you can write this side and this side you can write that side. Means suppose you are writing A is equals to B, you can write A is equals to B as B is equals to A also. Both are same thing, no difference is there. So this will go that side, that will become 2 sine a square 2x plus 7 sine 2x minus 4 is equals to 0. And that will become 2t square plus 7t minus 4 is equals to 0. I will find t. T is equals to minus b. B is 7 minus 7 plus minus root under b square 49 minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. And that will become 2a4. T will be equals to minus 7 plus minus root under 32. How much it will be? 49 plus 32, 81. 81 na? By 4. It means this will be minus 7 plus minus 9 by 4. So when you will take plus sign, minus 7 plus 9, 2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2. Minus 7 minus 9, minus 16, minus 16 by 4, minus 4. So sine, what is this sine? Sine is equals to minus 4, not possible. Sine is equals to 1 by 2, possible. What we'll write here now? Last step for this question, sine 2x is equals to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 means sine 30 degree, you can write pi by 6. So can you see sine x is equals to sine alpha? This you will write 2 pi is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 6. And 2 you will divide this side because we want to find x. We don't want to find 2x. So x will be equals to 2 you will divide this side. N pi by 2 plus minus 1 raised to n pi by 12. Answer. Now see the whole solution first. When you get confident, I understood the solution, then only you will write. Solve. Seven cos square x Who will say the answer? Who will say the answer? Who will say the answer? So what is problem in that equation? Suppose you want to solve that question. What is the problem? Tell me. Cos square is the problem. How cos square is the problem? Sin x into cos x is the problem. Suppose sin x is not there, this is quadratic, yes or no? Yes or no? Sin x is not there, it is quadratic or not? If cos x is not there, this will become sin x. Cos square x, I will write 1 minus sin square x, that will become quadratic in sin x. अरे ये तो सब डिलीट ही हो गया भैया. So if sin x is not there, it will be quadratic of cos x. Directly we can see it is quadratic of cos x. 7 cos square x plus cos x minus 3 is equals to 0. Yes or no? Now listen here, this work. If cos x is not there, so this is cos square x, this is sin x. Can we write cos square x 1 minus sin square x? 7 will multiply and that will become 7 minus 7 sin square x. Yes or no? So 7 minus 7 sin square x plus sin x minus 3 is equals to 0. It means in that whole question, only one problem is there. Sir, sin x and cos x is getting multiplied. That is the only thing we have to think. That's all. If we can understand mystery of this, then we can solve the question. Yes or no? Now here you have to remember one concept. Whenever sin x into cos x is present anywhere, suppose I am asking you, integrate sin x into cos x dx. Suppose I am asking you, solve sin x into cos x greater than 0. I am asking you, draw graph of y is equals to sin x into cos x. Means whenever sin x into cos x is present throughout the mathematics in any chapter, this is integration chapter, this is uh, basics chapter, this is trigonometry chapter, anywhere sin x into cos x is present, change it into sin 2x by 2. It means if you'll understand here, sin x into cos x graph will be sin 2x by 2. And drawing graph of sin 2x is easy. We teach our students how to draw graph of sin 2x. But what we don't do is how to find graph of sin x into cos x. We don't teach. We teach, here we teach sin x into cos x greater than 0. But we can also, we are writing sin 2x by 2 greater than 0. That is also very good. We can learn that. This thing, if we change sin x into cos x with this formula, our question will become more easy because single thing is there, sin 2x by 2. Here sin x is also present, cos x is also present. Two things are present. There is no formula for sin x into cos x integration, but there is formula for integration of sin x minus cos x. What is the first thing? This sin x into cos x, it will get changed into sin 2x by 2 plus minus 3 is equals to 0. Now cos square x. What I will do with cos square x? Huh? 1 minus sin square x will not write. Cos square x has formula directly connecting with 2 theta. 1 plus 1 plus or 1 minus? 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos. This is the formula we have for cos square x. Cos square x formula in 2x. 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Sin square x formula in cos 2x. 1 minus sin, not 1 minus sin 2. 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Okay, now this will become 7 by 2 plus 7 cos 2x by 2 plus sin 2x by 2 minus 3 is equals to 0. I will take LCM here. LCM will be 2. 7 plus 7 cos 2x plus sin 2x minus 6 is equals to 0. 2 will cross multiply that side. That will be removed here. This will become 7 cos 2x plus sin 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. Yes or no? Now the question is how we'll solve equation of a sin x plus b cos x is equals to c. Okay, now so this pattern I will tell you how to solve question of a sin x. So first of all, write down all these steps. हाँ, first step, cos square x formula I change 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 7 I will multiply. 7 into 1, 7 plus 7 cos 2x. By 2 is there, I will divide, I will get division. टाइम बताओगे कोई? सबका अलग अलग टाइम आ रहा है. देखो, this is the, see, we can solve this question from here, but this pattern, that is type 4 pattern. How to solve a sin x plus b cos x is equals to c. That is type 4 pattern. Fourth type. But we are studying only type 2. It means we have to solve this question with type 2. When I will tell you type 4, then I will again tell you how to solve this question. So now you can see it. Type cos square x sin x into cos x is present in any equation. Simply divide the whole thing with cos square x. This side divide with cos square x, that side divide with cos square x. It means, see, suppose that 2 and 2 are equal. So suppose I divide both sides with 4. So 2 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 1 by 2, still both are equal or not? So we can divide both sides with same number. Tan square x is also a number. Oh, sorry, cos square x is also a number. So I'll divide this both with cos square x, and that side I will write 0 by cos square x, that will be 0 only. Now here when I will divide with cos square x, I will separate all. 7 cos square x by cos square x, 7. Sin x into cos x by cos square x. 1 cos x will get cancelled, sin x by cos x will be left, which is tan x. Everyone understood this? Tan x, नित्याश्री? हाँ, नहीं, उसको समझ में नहीं आया. तुम हमसे झूठ नहीं, मतलब हम लोग समझ जाते हैं, आपको नहीं आया समझ में. कह रहा हूँ कि साइन इंटू कॉस को अगर हम कॉस स्क्वायर से डिवाइड कर दे, कॉस कॉस कैंसिल हो गया, तो साइन बाई कॉस टेन बन गया कि नहीं? नाउ 3 बाई कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स, तो 1 बाई कॉस स्क्वायर एक्स सेक स्क्वायर हो गया. हाँ, सेक स्क्वायर हो गया, सेक हमारा स्क्वायर आ गया यहाँ पे, तो 3 sec square x आ गया. अब you can see here this is tan x, this is sec square x, so sec square x you can change into tan x or not? So I change into tan x. Up can you see here this is minus 3 tan square x. Do you remember whenever it is changing into quadratic, negative higher coefficient should not be negative, it should be positive. So take this that side, that become 3 tan square x minus tan x. 7 minus 3 is 4, minus 4 is equals to 0. Now tan x, take t, find the root, say the answer, done. So this question you will do by yourself, and this is from concept applications 7 number, page number 96, question number 7, and you will solve this question at home, and you will match the answer. Bhavna, 7 minutes is more remaining. Check the time. How much time is remaining? 10 minutes is remaining. Wait for 10 minutes. Write down type 3. Type 3, solution to simultaneous equation. I will take the photo and I will post in group. Okay? Sir. Yes, sir. बोलो सर. इसमें तो इतने जूम हो जाएंगे कि तुम्हारे मॉलिक्यूल्स दिख जाते हैं. अच्छा. ओके ना. टाइप 3. सॉल्यूशन टू सॉल्यूशन टू सॉल्यूशन टू. अच्छा, वेट करो तो. We'll use your apply when अरे we'll use your apply नहीं, when we'll use our mind. From here also we can solve with help of, no need to remember type 4. Here only we can use. Can you tell me how we'll use? How we'll solve this question? Huh? Yes, very good. Very good. Cos 2x I will write 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. Sin 2x I will write 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. LCM I will take 1 plus tan square x. Here it will be 7 times 1 minus tan square x. Here it will be 2 tan x, not tan square x, plus 1. So denominator 1 plus tan square x is there, and that will multiply here. 1 plus tan square x is equals to 0. This you can cross multiply. Whatever you will get here, you will get the same thing. Okay, na? So what you are learning, always be ready to think. Just now I was writing type 3. Again I saw something directly. Brain is in automatic realization. I am not asking brain to think. He is already thinking. Processing is going on. Okay, na? So here you will write tan cos 2x cos 2 theta formula into tan, sin 2 theta formula into tan. You will take LCM. You will get again the same quadratic. Write on the type 3. Solution of simultaneous equation. Solution of simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation means, do you know simultaneous when we use? When two things are there, then we use simultaneous. For one object, we don't use simultaneous. Okay? So I will directly write the question. I will write solve. Write it solve. Sin theta is equals to minus 1 by 2. And tan theta is equals to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Now we have to find the angle which will satisfy both, not one. Okay, na? So see, all these things are very easy. Only you have to, when you are going at home, when you are seeing type 3, you have to remember that I have to do like this, I have to do like this. Any question I am getting like this, I have to do like this. That's all. Suppose I am giving you 2. Okay, na? I am asking find the angle which satisfies both. Okay? First step, what I will do? I will find, no. Here I will find general solution of this. I will find general solution of that. First step. Okay? So I am going to do that. Tan theta is equals to 1 by 3. Can you tell me the angle where tan theta is 1 by 3? Tan 30 degrees. So what will write theta here? N pi plus 30 degree. Yes or no? Very good. And don't write it as in 30 degree. Always write it in terms of pi. Now you'll find here minus 1 by 2. Can you tell me 1 by 2? What is the angle 1 by 2? 30 degrees. So minus 1 by 2 minus 30 degree in case of sine and tan. So sine theta is equals to sine minus pi by 6. Now see here. These steps is directly coming from type 1. What will be the new thing in this type that you have to learn? These all things are all directly coming from theory of inverse trigonometry. So here we write theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 raised to n minus pi by 6. First, now what we have to do, one very smart work we have to do. I have to generate one general solution which will satisfy this also and which will satisfy this also. And that is now main work here. Okay, na? So this is the new thing you are going to learn in this topic. If you learn this topic, this new thing, it means these questions you can do now. Because if you cannot solve these two things, then it means what I can do? I cannot do anything. Because this is the first topic. This you learned in the first, starting when I was teaching you sine theta is equals to sine 30. What will be theta? N pi plus minus. N pi plus minus 1 raised to n into 30 degree. This is the starting. This is not type 1 also. This is not type 2 also. This is the starting of this chapter. Jayant is half sleep mode में है वो. 70% जयंत स्लीप मोड में रहता है. सही बात है ना जयंत? नहीं तो आंख लाल ऐसा क्यों है जैसे कि इतना प्रेशर हो गया है. हाँ, कुछ कुछ बच्चे भी रहते हैं ऐसे भी खड़े होकर सो लेते हैं. हाँ, when they sleep like this, they don't give rest to their these parts, they give rest to brain. वो ब्रेन से सो रहे होते हैं. चलिए, now I have to generate. See how I am going to generate. Whatever steps I will do, you don't have to learn anything new. All these steps you have already learned. Only you have to learn how to arrange the things. देखो, here I will find 3 angle which will match with that angle. So first I will put n0. What I will get? Minus 30 degree. Minus pi by 6. See what I am going to do. Minus pi by 6. I'll put n1. This will become pi. Minus 1 raised to 1 minus 1. Minus pi by, this will become plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. Here I will write 5, 6 angle from generating from here. So this step you have already learned or not? How to generate angle from general formula? How to generate angle from general formula? So this step you have already learned. You are seeing how we will proceed. Now I'll put 2. 2 pi. Minus 1 square plus 1. 2 pi minus pi by 6. 11 pi by 6. Huh? 2 pi minus pi by 6. 11. Now put n3. 3 pi plus pi by 6. That will become 19 pi by 6. Now see the pattern how it is moving. Now no need to find all. देखो यहाँ से यहाँ. Here how many increment done? Pi by 6, pi by 6. This is minus 1, 7. What is the difference? 8. Here what is the difference between 7 and 4? Here what is the difference between 11 and 19? 8. It means next will be 23 pi by 6. Next will be 31 pi by 6. Next will be 35 pi by 6. Next will be this. this. First of all, here you don't have to learn this pattern. First, you have to learn how to find all these angles. You have to learn. But I am telling you one smart way is there. In whenever we get stuck into this, na, if we'll see constant changes there, then why I will find each? Simply I will do the change and I will find. Okay, so you don't think here 8, 4. You have to go with the original process only. Okay, so but I have done all these questions now, so I will not find each now. Now I will write this 23. Next will be 31 pi by 6. Next will be 35 pi by 6 and so on. Now I will find some angle from here. When n will be 1, when n will be 0, when n will be 2, n will be 3, and you write down the angle when 3 until 3 angle is matching. If 3 angle match, stop there. Okay na? How many angle matched till now? 7 pi by 6, 7 pi by 6 matched. 19 pi by 6, 19 pi by 6 matched. Next, this will be next. This is for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will put 4 pi. That will become 25 pi by 6. Next will be 31 pi by 6. So 31 pi by 6 is matching. 3 angle matched, na? Now write down all 3 angle somewhere. Here I am writing all the matched angles. 7 pi by 6, 19 pi by 6, 31 pi by 6, and so on. Lot of angle will match. Now I'm going to write general formula. Do you know how we'll write general formula? You know all the process here. Only I have to say. See, pi by 6 is here. Pi by 6 is here. Pi by 6 is here. It means in general formula, pi by 6 will come or not? And something will come here. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, can you tell me 7, 19, 31, this is in AP? Every time you will get AP. So, only you have to write AP nth term formula here. And what is AP nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d into pi by 6. What is A? First angle. 7. No, sorry, 7. So, 7 plus n minus 1 into d. 7 and 19. What is common difference? 12. So, we'll write here 12 into pi by 6. Now, we got the general formula. Wow. 12n. 7 minus 12. Minus 5 pi by 6. Done. So, it's very simple step. Solve 1. Take some, write some angles from there. Solve 2, write some angles from there. And when you are writing these angles, Monish, when you are writing this angle, you can see the pattern. Here you see the pattern. Here 1 pi, 7 pi. What is difference? 6. Next 7 and 13. 6. It means here we can say here difference is 6. After 13 directly it will go 19. After 19, 6 directly it will go 25, 31, 37, 43, 49. We can proceed. Match 3 angle, write 3 angle here. You will, as I earlier told, don't write it in 30 degree, write it in pi by 6. Why I said? So that you can recognize what is coming every time. So pi by 6 is coming every time, write down pi by 6. And whatever number are changing in each, 7, 19, 31, that will be in AP. Write AP nth term formula, A plus n minus 1 into D. And in this AP 7, 19, 31, what is A? First term 7. What is D? 19 minus 7, 12. And N you don't have to write anything. N you don't have to write anything. Because in general formula N will come. Write down this whole part.